Um, Very warm welcome to everyone. I welcome you all for this one more session on implementation of routing information protocol. The last video we have discussed about what is a routing information protocol, what is the use of RIP protocol, what are the limitations of routing information protocol. The biggest limitation with this routing information protocol is if it is limited to 15 hops. If there is more than 15 hops, then it will become unreachable. Though we have some limitation, let us learn about this protocol. It is one of the oldest protocol in networks. So last class we have discussed about the theoretical portion of RIP. If you have not watched the previous part, I recommend you to watch the RIP protocol theory, then come to this RIP implementation part. So we will do the implementation of dynamic routing protocol, that is RIP, using PNETLabs. So this is the topology which we are going to do it today. So we have some two networks here, 1.2 and 1.0 and 3.0. These are the two networks we have, and some three routers we have taken. And router 1, which is connecting your network 1 dot network and then 10 dot network. Similarly, we have router 3, which is connecting your 20 dot network and your 3 dot network. Here I'm going to do my RIP version 2 on router 1, router 2, and router 3. I'm going to do my implementation of the RIP protocol. It is very simple. RIP implementation is very simple. Let us discuss them. First, let us see what are the CLA commands before we start the hands-on. See, what is the router 1? So here we have a router. So we need to tell about this network and tell about this network to this router 1 first. So I have taken enable. I have given the host name as R1 since I have labeled as R1. Then I have taken both interfaces FA0 bar 0 and I'm giving the gateway address 1.100 here and FA0 bar 1, which is giving me the next address here for 10.10.10.1 address for FA0 bar 1 I have assigned here. This is procedure which we usually do for any interfaces. After that, here is the main part of RIP protocol, enabling the RIP protocol. So it is very simple commands. We are calling router RIP and we are telling which version we are using. As we have told, version 1 is for classful addressing. So we are not using version 1, and version 3, that is your RIP next generation, is for the IPv6. So we are not using that also. We are using the version 2 here. So it is simple command router RIP version 2 and network followed by directly connected networks. See here 1.0 and 10.0 are the two networks which are directly connected to router 1. I'll show you here. See here 1 dot network and 10 dot network are directly connected to the router 1. So I'm just telling about these two routers, and one more command we are going to give. It is no auto summary. What is the importance of this no auto summary commands is, see here we have 192.168.1.100 or 1 dot network. So it is a class C address basically. In that case, it is default, it will take it as /24. Whereas if we take it here, this is not belonging to the same class. So since we are using completely classless, the router should not get confused with two networks and then to give two different subnet masks. So that again communication will be stopped. As I told you, for all the networks, I'm using a default subnet mask like /24, which means that it is going to be the same subnet mask irrespective of the IP addresses are in the scheme. So it should not get confused with the subnet mask of 10 dot network and /24. So I'm giving no auto summary. So don't summarize yourself anything. Just do what I'm giving to you. That is what it is no auto summary means. Then exit. Then I'm writing it so that I'm saving all the configuration on the router 1. Same I'm doing it on the router 2. So here I have three networks here. Say I need to teach about 10 dot network. I need to teach about the 20 dot network to my router 2. Yes, I am teaching first 1 dot network, sorry, 10 dot network and then 20 dot network for my router 2. Then for router 3, I need to tell about two networks again, 20 dot and then 3 dot, because these two are networks which are connected to my router 3. So I'm telling about the sorry, two networks which are directly connected to my router 3. So simple configurations. Now let us directly uh, move into our lab session. So I have, as usual, I have opened my lab and lab is ready to use. See, I have just pulled all the topology, pulled those devices and kept it ready for you. Just you need to check whether any default configurations are there. I'm just clicking on this device and then let me first turn all these devices on before doing. When the devices are in the off condition, it will not work out. So let me turn all these devices on just like our real-time devices. Then I'll go into this router and then see any configuration is already available inside. I'll give no first. Then let me just check whether anything is available by asking show interface brief. First enable show IP interface brief. See, there is nothing assigned and nothing is assigned, no IP address is assigned and everything is in down. So I can start my configuration on this. So conf t. So I need to rename this. So host name R1. Since I'm doing it on the R1 router, R1. Then I need to tell about the interfaces. Interface. So what are the interfaces we have? We have two interfaces, FA0 bar 0 and FA0 bar 1. FA0 bar 0 is 192.168.1.100. FA0 bar 0. Interface FA0 bar 0 is so IP followed by address 192.168.1.100 followed by the mask 255.255.0. Then I should give no shutdown command. Yes, then I'll exit from this interface. So yes, again I need to go for interface FA 0/1. Yes, so IP address 10.10.10.1. Sorry, subnet mask I have not given. 255.255.255.0. See, this is how I give no auto summary, so it will not take default mask. It will take the subnet mask which I am assigning here. That is why I have given no auto summary. Then what I need to do, I need to tell them exit, no shutdown. Then exit, yes, exit. Then what are the next commands I should give? My router. Let us again go through what we need to give. So up to this step we have given. Now I need to enable my RIP. What are the commands? Router RIP version 2. Then directly connect to networks followed by no auto summary. So let us do that one now. So router RIP. So it will take the RIP. What is the version? Version 2. Then I need to tell about my networks directly connected. Network 192.168.1.0. Then network 10.10.10.0. Yes. Then I should give no auto summary. That's all right. Any other commands are left out? No auto summary. Then I can exit. Then I'll again write. Sorry, it is in configuration mode. So let me come from this. Then I'll give write memory. So it will just save the configuration. So R1 configuration is done. So let us go for next R2 configuration. So R2 configuration, we need to tell about 10.network and the 20.network, and I need to give all the interfaces as well as. Then let us minimize this and move to our second router. I need to tell about 10.network and the 20.network. Is FA1 bar 0, FA1 bar 0 with 10.10.10.2. Yes. Now let us go for no. Then enable enable configure terminal. Then I can go with host name R2. Then I'll do interface FA0/0. What is 0/0? 0 slash, no, we don't have 0/0 here. It is 1/0. It is FA1/0. So IP address 10.10.10.2 followed by mask 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown, exit. Then again interface, sorry, again interface FA 0/1. Am I right? FA 0/1 is this 20.network. IP address 20.20.20.1, again 255.255.255.0, then followed by no shutdown. Then I can exit from this. So I have given both the interfaces is done, right? Next I need to give my router. See how I need to give up to this step. It is done now. I need to tell about my enable the RIP version 2 router RIP, correct? Router RIP. So it is router RIP version 2. Next, I need to tell about networks which are connected 10.10.10.0, then network 20.20.20. It is network 20.20.20 0. No auto summary. Then I can end this. Then I need to write memory. Yes, it is done now. I have completed the configuration on this R2 also. Next, we need to configure R3. I need to teach about 20.network and the 3.network. Let us move on to our picture again. R3. No. Enable. Configure. Then host name R3, right? R3. Yes. So what are the interfaces I need to do it here? Interface FA0 bar 0 is 20.20.22. Interface FA0 bar 0 is IP add 20.20.22 with the mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown and exit. Similarly, IP address 192.168.3.0 followed by 255.255.255.0. What is missing? 20, 20, 20. Let's check it. We Yes, I have not called the interface. Interface FA 0 bar 1, right? Then I should give my IP address 20.20.20.3, sorry, 192.168.3.0 followed by 255.255.0. Again, no shutdown. I'll exit from here. Then I need to do my configuration. I need to do my configuration here for router RIP. So network 192.168.3.0, then network 20.20.20.0, then no auto summary. I can exit from here. Exit, right. Yes, it has done the configuration binding already. Write memory is done. With that, we have completed the router configurations. Now we need to assign the IP addresses for the end devices. So let me move into this. So 1.1, 1.100. Simple letters. IP 192.168.1.1, then followed by 255.255.255.0, then followed by its gateway 192.168.1.100. Yes, it will take the IP address. Yes, it is done. Next, for this PC, IP 192.168.1.2 followed by 255.255.255.0, then gateway 192.168.1.100 will take the IP address. Yes, done. So now two more devices. Let us go into this. It's 3.1. Let us go into this device. It is IP 192.168.3.1 followed by mask 192.168.3.100 is taken for this PC, last PC. IP 192.168.3.2 followed by 255.255.255.0 followed by 192.168.3.100. It's done now. I think all the connections we have completed. Now let us try to ping from any of the PC to any of the device and see. Let us take some random PC 1.1 I have taken. So I'll ping to my neighbor 192.168.1.2. Yes, I'm getting a reply from a neighbor who is in the same network with RIP. Now I'll ping my router 192.168.1.100 is, so I'll be able to reach my router. Next, I'll ping my other router 3, ping 192.168.3.100. Let us see. It is not reachable from this IP. We will see whether we are able to ping the end device 192.168.3.1 ICMP type 3 code unreachable. Let me find out what is this. So what we will do, we'll check with one of the router 3. Let us go with showing IP interface brief command. So FA0 bar 1, it is showing it is not assigned. So let us just reassign this FA0 bar 1. What is 0 bar 1 is 192.168.3.100. Let us try this one. Confirm the IP, sorry, interface FA0 bar 1. Or what is IP address? IP address 192.168.3.100 followed by 2550. Then let me give no shutdown command, then exit. Again, let me go to my PC where I got my unreachable. Somewhere you got unreachable, right? So let us try to ping now. 192.168 ping. Again, it is not reachable. Need to find out the reason. Let us again troubleshoot somewhere. So let me try once to ping 20.20.20.2. See, let me ping. It is pinging, so which means packets are reaching up to this. It is not reaching only this network. So what I'm going to do, let me switch off this, then I'll wipe it, wipe the commands on this. Is, see, troubleshooting is an art. We should try to practice them. So I'll start this. Okay, then I'll check whether anything is available here. It is wiped up. It is wiped up completely. Now let us see any configuration is available. Then otherwise we'll reconfigure and we'll try once. Enable conft is, now let us try with I'll just check with show IP interface brief. So no assigning is there. Let us start assigning then. Conft interface FA0/0. So what is there with 0/0? 0/0 we have 20.2. Where is our R3? First, let us to rename this. For that, IP address 20.20.20.2 followed by 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown. Then exit. Again, I need to give other interface. FA0/1. So IP address 192.168.3.100 3.100 followed by 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown. Then I'll exit. I will assign my router RIP version 2. Then I'll give my command what are the network 192.168.3.0, then network 20.20.20.0, then no auto summary, then I'll end, then I'll write. It is done now. We have done this also. Let us try this one last time. Then we will check if something is wrong, right? We will just check it out. I'll take it. So it is 3.1. I'll take some other PC. Yes, it is my PC IP config. So it is my IP is 1.network. So ping 192.168.3.0. Let us wait for some time. It is again timed out. So let us try 192.168.3.1. No. Yes, it is getting reply. It is pinging now. Success. So let me ping for 192.168.3.2. Yes. So it is success. So any device, I can ping. Let me try from 3.network now. It is 3.1 network. Let me ping my 1.network, ping 192.168.1.1. 1.1. Yes, I'm getting reply here. I'll try to ping 1.2 also. Ping 192.168.1.2. It should ping now. First packet may get lost because it's searching for network. Then from second packet onwards, you will get your packets delivered. So what we have learned today, see, I have shown you a troubleshooting also. Whenever we find some mistake, whenever we are not able to deliver the packets, what are the ways to troubleshoot? First, let us assume that we have this as my source and this is my destination. So what I will do, once all the corrections are done, I'll try to ping from this PC to this PC, which means my switch I don't have problem. Then I'll ping from this PC to my gateway. When it is fine, there is no problem up to this point. Then I'll ping from here to here. It is reachable up to from here to here, reachable, no problem. From here to here, it was not reachable. So there was some problem with this router. I have erased the commands using the wipe. Then I have reprogrammed, given the commands again for this router. Then I have checked it was working fine. So that is called as the troubleshooting. Whenever we find somewhere some issue, we should not stop it. We should find out where exactly the problem is. Then accordingly, we should able to rectify the problem by troubleshooting it. So the problem might be simple or it might be complex. We have some show commands. As we have seen, there are some multiple show commands are there. We'll show you show commands. Using these show commands, you will be able to find out where exactly the mistake is. Show IP interface brief, show IP route, show running config. Through this, you'll be able to find out how your packets are reached. Let us see one of these commands, show IP route from one of the router. Let us take one of the router. I'll go to this router. Yes, I'll go into this router. I'll enable. I'll go with show. IP route. It is showing me the path. Okay. See what is the gateway is not set for this, and it is subnetted. One subnet is this. What are the subnets which are directly connected? Which are directly connected? Which are not directly connected? All the information is given using the command show IP route. So next, one more command. Let us one more show command. Let us try it out. Okay. Show IP protocols. We'll see. Show IP protocols. So it is giving me what are the protocols used here. Okay, what are the interfaces, how much packets are sent and received. Whereas it is using the version 2 of your RIP. Routing protocol is RIP. It is version is 2. What is the gateway for this? How much distance it is taking? Default it is 120. So all the informations you can see. As I told you, 180 seconds it will hold on. After 180 seconds, it will send you a unreachable. As I told you, the problem with the RIP protocol is many times it will not, it will show like unreachable after certain hops. That is the limitation of this RIP protocol. So with this, we are completing this RIP protocol. So today we have learned how to give connections, how to give the interfaces IP addresses to all the devices, then what are the commands to give the routing information for RIP. Then we have learned a troubleshooting a process also we have learned together in this one video. Thank you all for watching this. If you have any comments, you can post it to me. And next we will discuss about next routing protocol in the next videos. Thank you.